Hey guys, Papa Herman here. Today we got a fun little project. We have a camper that's to my left here that has a flat tire. So we're going to swing you around and check out this. We got a flat tire on it. I just want to walk you through my steps on how I take care of this. Hopefully we learn a little and be shared and liked. And let's get to it. Okay, I got you on my head now. I hope my angle's right. As you can see, I put in a floor jack right behind the tire. It's on the axle itself, so as I lift the jack, I'm only wanting to lift the back end of the camper here just high enough. One thing we've got here is these are not actually lug nuts. They are plastic caps for the lug nuts. So we're going to pop all these caps off. Next thing we got to do is remove these lug nuts. I've got a DeWalt drill here and pops them right off pretty quick and easy. Alright, I did fail to mention that I'd already put a little pressure on the jack. So now I want to get this axle jacked up high enough that I can pull the tire off, but I also want to be able to put on the new tire. So not new tire, but maybe repaired tire. We'll see where it goes. So that ought to be okay for right now. We're going to pop this tire off, and then let's take it over to the shop area and do a little inspection, see what we can find. See if we can find out why it lost some air. Okay, now we're going to travel. Alright, I got it up here on my little workbench outside here. It's a nice sunny day. Let's get some air in it and see if it'll jump out at us and show us where the leak's at. We've got pretty decent tread on the tires. As I was carrying it over here, I was looking for some kind of nail or a gash or a cut, and I didn't see one. So as I read the side of the tire here with the loading at the maximum air pressure of 65 psi, so I don't want to go above that 65. I've got us a gauge here, and we're looking at about 25 now, so let's put some more air in it. I'm kind of listening. I paused a minute there to see if I could hear a hissing noise, and I'm not hearing one yet. I'm going to check that air pressure again. Like I said, I don't want to go over 65, but I want to get enough air in it where it, whatever leaked, made it leak. You can hear my air compressor cut on in the background. I hope it doesn't drown out my noise too bad. Still kind of giving it an eyeball around the edges. Not seeing anything yet. So right now, if you can see this on the screen, we've got 49 psi. Let's play with it right there for a minute. I'm gonna stand it up and start kind of investigating in the treads here, and I'm looking for a nail, a screw, anything that might give me a clue why this thing's leaking. I got some mud built in here, and yes, that mud could be hiding a screw. I mean, overall, the tire is in great shape. Okay, let's go to the back side and look around. And I do see, this could be where the problem is. It might not be. I do see where the rim's bent right there. You see that in the camera? Got a little bit of a bent rim right there. This is a steel rim, it's a trailer rim, so it's probably hit something kind of hard. Does not mean it's leaking right there, but let's get some soap and spray on that area and see what we see. Hang tight. Let's pour a little bit of water in there. Definitely not seeing any air bubbles with the water around the rim. I'll kind of pour it all the way around. Okay, I didn't see anything going on. Okay, I'm going to pour a little water around the rim on the front side. Again, I'm not seeing any nails or screws or anything protruding in the tread. And I'm looking that rim for any kind of air bubbles popping up on me, and I'm really not seeing anything, guys. Not sure what's going on there. Okay, so, hey, sometimes it's a mystery. It obviously leaked down air somehow, but I really can't find where. I'm not seeing any hissing. The other thing I could do was get some water and soap around the tire itself, around the tread, but we're going to put it back on the camper and give it a couple of days and see what we see. Alright, let's take it back to the Alright, to get it back on, I do need to raise the frame a wee bit higher. And then we're going to put these lug nuts back in place. I'm going to start them by hand because I don't want to cross thread anything. And then we'll come back by with the torque wrench. Okay, the tire's back in place, but it free spins. So we're going to lower the frame back down so it doesn't free spin anymore. This will allow us to put a torque wrench on it. Make sure we've got it at the right torque. Caps are back on. And the tire is fixed for now. Well, sometimes we have a mystery when we're working on tires losing air. Didn't see what caused it. Maybe someone's playing a prank on me. I'm not sure. But there's some air in it now, right at 49 psi. And we'll come back in a couple of days and check it. And it may be such a small leak that I can't find it. The tire did look like it was in good shape. But, hey, maybe time for a new tire. Okay, that's it for this project. Really didn't work out like I thought it was going to. I thought we were going to find something actually wrong. But hey, maybe next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And you guys have a good day.